Mastering can and could, expressing ability in English. Hello language learners. Today, we are going to dive into the fascinating world of English modal verbs. Our main focus is on can and could, and how we use these verbs to express ability. Understanding the correct use of these words is essential as it will help you greatly in becoming a more proficient English speaker. So, get ready to learn and let's get started. Can and could are both modal verbs that we use to express ability. However, they are used in different contexts. Can is used to express something that is possible or someone's ability to do something in the present or future. For example, I can swim. Can you help me with this task? On the other hand, could is used to express an ability in the past or to suggest a possibility in the present or future. For example, when I was younger, I could run a mile in 6 minutes. Could you please pass the salt? Using can properly is easy once you understand the rules. Remember, we use can when we are talking about present or future abilities. Here are a few examples. 1. I can play the guitar. 2. She can finish her work by tomorrow. Try practicing this at home. Write down a few sentences of your own where you talk about things you are able to do now or will be able to do in the future. When it comes to using could, remember that it is generally used to express past abilities or polite requests. Here are some examples. 1. I could swim when I was a child. 2. Could you open the window, please? Just like you did with can. Try writing down some sentences using could to describe something you were able to do in the past or to make a polite request. Now that you understand when to use can and could, let's practice choosing between them. Here's an example. I blank swim when I was a child. In this sentence, because we are talking about a past ability, the correct choice is could. So the sentence should be, I could swim when I was a child. On the other hand, if the sentence was, I blank swim in the sea. Here, we are speaking about a present or future ability, so we would say, I can swim in the sea. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try creating your own sentences and fill in the blanks with can or could, as you deem suitable. And that's a wrap. We hope you found this lesson on using can and could in English to be useful. English is a rich and complex language, but with a bit of practice, you will master these modal verbs in no time. Keep practicing, keep learning, and remember, language learning is a journey, not a destination. See you in our next lesson.